If you don't know how to apply the beard oil, I'm going to show you the simple way on how to apply the beard oil. So I'm just from washing my face, and this is how I apply my beard oil. 3 drops of beard growth oil on my palms. Then I rub my hands together so that it spreads evenly to all the parts of my palms. Then I rub my chins or the areas where I want the beard to grow. This is simple. Anyone can do this. There's no scientific way of applying the beard growth oil. Others, what they do is they take the dropper and start applying to their beard just like that. You see that? You apply like this. They use a dropper. You can also use a dropper if you don't want to drop 3 drops of your beard oil on your palms and rub your hands and apply to your chin. It's very simple. Anyone can do this. There's no scientific way on how to apply the beard growth oil. This is just a simple way to apply the beard oil. This is to answer the question that I was asked by someone on this channel about how to apply the beard oil on my face.